Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage all notifications on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Then click on System section and choose Notifications. After that, tap on this switcher next to Notifications to switch them off or on from apps and other senders. You can also scroll down and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch off or on notifications for them. Then you can also enable or disable Do Not Disturb. And in order to make some exceptions, tap on Set Priority Notifications. Now you can choose Add Apps and tap on the best one for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!